Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good and preparing well for SBIClerk2022. And I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBIClerk2022. And my daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams. And who are new to my daily to-do list videos, don't worry about 80 plus test. Daily I changed topics and those are very easy to understand who are beginners. And start your preparation from today onwards. If you start your preparation from today onwards, you will definitely clear your exam. And you can join with me and make your daily timetable. And also I am providing daily vocabulary and also small tips and tricks. And if you have any doubts, you can connect me in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra. I will provide that link in description. And also for better understanding, I am providing subtitles also. So while playing my video, on CC option on the top right corner of my video. So let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. And in every Sunday, I planned a weekly revision. And in our preparation, revision is necessary. So I planned a weekly revision. And this revision should be like reattempt wrong and skipped questions from last week mock test and quizzes, and a revision of brief notes noted down on daily basis. So as usual, daily in morning, revise all basics of each subject and don't forget to revise basics of any subject. And after that, revise English quizzes. And in Adda 247, daily we attempted English quizzes. So revise all that once. And from that quizzes, note down all our mistakes and skipped questions. And after that, from editorial videos, we noted down all vocabulary words, phrasal verbs, rules. So revise all that once for 1 hour and learn all those vocabulary words, rules for English section. And after that, revise all prelims mock test attempted in a week and note down all your weak areas where you are lacking and note down your mistakes and also skipped questions and make your timetable according to your weak areas. And for mock test, I am suggesting who are beginners, they can purchase textbook test series, and who are already preparing, they can purchase Hollywood or Smartkida, and they are very helpful for all our prelims and mains exam. So choose the best as per your convenience. And in afternoon, I planned for mains preparation, and who are preparing for mains, they all revise attempted quizzes and mock test and also your weak areas and revise your practiced PDFs and revise mains mock test attempted yesterday and also its weak areas where you are lacking and note down all your weak areas where you are lacking and learn from your weak areas and make your timetable. And for mains mock test, my suggestion is Hollywood and Smartkey are the best. So choose the best as per your convenience. And who are beginners, they all revise PDFs and quizzes attempted in last week. And if missed any topic, revise all that once. And note down all your weak areas and wrong and skipped questions. So revise all that once and note down your weak areas and mistakes and make your timetable according to your weak areas and learn from your mistakes. And if anyone have doubts about this weekly revision, PDFs, quizzes, you can ask in my Telegram group. And in my Telegram group, I will share every topics, video links, PDFs and quizzes. And also I will share screenshots of my attempted quizzes on daily basis. So join my Telegram group and I will provide that link in description. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs at least 1 hour. So read daily current affairs from the sources of Adda 247 or Study IQ or Affairs Cloud. And my suggestion is Affairs Cloud is the best to read current affairs. So on daily basis, read daily current affairs. And after that, before going to sleep, revise last week current affairs, that is May 15 to 21st current affairs from one of your source, and that is for tomorrow's to-do list. Be consistent and confident on your preparation, and thanks for being with me, and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates, and thank you.